Hi, today we make a few varieties of chicken drumsticks. The first one is with barbecue sauce, the deep fried with cheese and mushrooms, the other deep fried with blueberries and blue cheese, and last one with mustard sauce. We start by preparing the meat. We clean a few drumsticks, as you see. The rest that we deep fry will be fully cooked first. In a bowl we add water, the chicken drumsticks, salt, ground pepper, and the spice mix. And we boil them until fully cooked. We prepare the mustard sauce for the first recipe. We will use sour cream, mustard, garlic, vegetable oil, salt, ground pepper, butter, and mozzarella. We clean and crush some garlic. We want it to be a fine paste. We add the garlic to a bowl, the sour cream, the mustard, followed by the oil, and we season it with salt and ground pepper. We give it a good mix and we are done. We continue by making our barbecue sauce. The ingredients that we use are homemade ketchup, garlic powder, oregano, thyme, ground pepper, apple cider vinegar, honey, Worcester sauce, smoked paprika, and salt. We add all the ingredients to a large bowl, one by one, and we mix it well. It is a simple sauce, but very tasty. Continue by cleaning and dicing a potato that we will use for the deep fried drumsticks. We cook the potato in a pot filled with water. Our meat is cooked, so we take it out and we clean the meat from the bone. As I said earlier, we will make two deep fried chicken drumstick recipes. For the first one we use mushrooms, aged white cheddar, the cooked meat that we prepared earlier, garlic, ground pepper, salt and white onion. We proceed by cleaning the mushrooms and the garlic. We clean and finely dice a half white onion. We dice some garlic. And we continue by slicing the mushrooms. We add some oil in a pan and we sear the onion and the garlic. We sear it until the onion is translucent. Then we add the mushrooms. We give it a mix. And we season with salt and ground pepper. Our potato is fully cooked and we use a potato masher to break it up, and we add the butter. In a bowl we add the cooked mushrooms, the meat, a small amount of mashed potatoes, grated cheddar, and we mix it all together. We use potatoes to be sure that everything sticks together. The first mix is done, and now we do the second. We use cooked meat that we did earlier, blueberries, blue cheese, and some mashed potatoes. We dice the blue cheese in a bowl. We mix the blueberries, the cooked meat, the blue cheese, and a small amount of mashed potatoes. We mix it well, and we are done. For all this meat, we need a side dish. For the side dish, we use white onions, carrots, potatoes, duck fat, salt, ground pepper, and rosemary. We cut the white onions in big chunks. We do the same with the carrots. And last, we dice the potatoes. We season with salt, ground pepper, and rosemary. We add some water and the duck fat. We cover it with aluminium foil. For the deep fry, this side we use as coating all-purpose flour, eggs, panko, and some grated parmesan. In the bowl we grate the eggs, and we add salt, ground pepper, and parmesan. Now let's start by assembling everything together. Everything is set up for cooking. We put in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit the mustard chicken drumsticks, followed by the barbecue one and the side dish. Every 15 minutes we brush the barbecue drumsticks with some barbecue sauce until they are ready. For us it took roughly 40 minutes. When the mustard drumsticks are done, we put some mozzarella on top and we bake them until the cheese gets a nice golden color. The deep frying is straightforward. In a pot we add the vegetable oil. Be sure that you use a big amount which covers the meat. We deep fry them until golden and crisp, and we are done. These are a few varieties of chicken drumsticks that we like. Give them a try and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our video, be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.